Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's been so cold outside these last couple of days and I'm wearing my onesie. I figured a nice hot pot of soup would be perfect. Today I'm going to share with all of you one of my favorite soups next to broccoli and cheese soup, loaded potato soup. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. And it's going to be full of potato goodness. This recipe is step by step and it's so creamy it just melts in your mouth. This is comfort food at its best and this will warm up your soul. Perfect for these winter months. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my soups recipes playlist and my previous video, pecan pie cheesecake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your vegetables, your milk, and get them potatoes peeling, sugar, because we're about to cook some potato soup magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted. And in 2-hour butter, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of chopped yellow onions, or you can use white, and 1/2 cup of celery that I diced. Give it a quick stir. Love that sizzle. Music to my ears. Alrighty, so we're going to let the onions and celery cook until they're translucent, about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, our onions and celery is nice and translucent. So now we're going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon. Stir this together. Love the smell of onions and garlic and celery cooking. Alrighty, so now we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking the vegetables and the garlic. So now we're going to add in 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes that I peeled and cut into big chunks. And now we're going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. That's this whole carton. So now we're going to cut the fire up to high. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alrighty, my friends, our potatoes has came to a boil. And also, you can use red potatoes if you like. So now we're going to cut the fire down to simmer. And we're going to let the potatoes cook until they fork tender. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the potatoes. Oh yeah, nice and tender. Alright, so now we're going to mash them. So now I have my heat on low. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. And while that's simmering, we're going to get started on our cream sauce. In my saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a quick whisk. And we're going to let it cook until the flour turns brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, my friends, the roux is nice and brown. So now we're going to add in 1 8-ounce tub of cream cheese spread at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient. Give it a quick stir. Gonna let it cook until the cream cheese melts. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the cream cheese spread is nice and melted. So now we're going to add in the rest of the milk, 2 cups. So there's 3 cups of evaporated milk in the entire recipe. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to let it cook until it thickens. Alrighty, my friends, our milk sauce is nice and thick. That looks great. So now we're ready to pour it into the potato mixture. We're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and garlic powder, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use black, and 2 teaspoons of chives, or you can use onion powder, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Give it a quick stir. I'm going to mash a little bit more. Alright, so all we do is let it simmer for 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, our potato soup is done. Nice and creamy, and look at those chunks of potatoes. Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Now it's ready to serve. I'm going to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl, and there's a few more things we're going to add to it. Some sour cream. And over here I have some crispy chopped bacon, some sharp cheddar cheese, and some green onions. Just going to sprinkle it right on the soup. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Loaded potato soup. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's flavorful. Please don't skip the cream cheese. Really makes a difference. Gave it a nice boot to it. And the potatoes is perfectly cooked. It has the right amount of seasoning. And nothing like a hot bowl of potato soup on a cold day. This is magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And look at the potatoes. Beautiful texture. Yum-o. Potato soup licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe and stay warm.